Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through a step-by-step guide on how to create a channel on WhatsApp in the latest update. Whether you're looking to share updates, run a community, or simply keep followers in the loop, this new feature makes it easier than ever to reach people right inside WhatsApp. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Make sure you're running the latest version so you can see all the new options. Once you're in, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the Updates tab. This is where the New Channels feature lives. Next, tap the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Create Channel. You'll now be taken through a simple setup process. It only takes a minute to get everything ready. Now it's time to personalize your new channel. Start by adding a channel name. This could be your brand name, your project, or whatever best represents what you'll be sharing. Keep it clear and easy to recognize so people can find you. After that, add a short description. This is your chance to let people know what kind of content they can expect from your channel, whether it's updates, announcements, or daily tips. Finally, upload an image that fits your channel theme. It could be a logo, a photo, or any creative picture that defines you. Once you've filled in all the details, tap the Create button. That's it. Your WhatsApp channel is officially live. You can now start sharing updates with your subscribers instantly. To grow your audience, simply share your channel link with others or invite people directly from your contacts. Remember, channels are all about one-way communication, so only you can post updates, while followers can react or forward them. And there you have it. Creating your own WhatsApp channel is quick, easy, and powerful. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this one.